Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. All of you, please switch on your videos. Noble, after a long time. All of you, please switch on. Shweda, Alnaros, Minha, Aaron, Isha, Justin, Delvin, Shania, Ashik, Anaj, Kshetra. Okay, which topic we had discussed in the last class? Angelo,
ma'am.
tell me. Yes? Okay, Visan, you can tell me. What's the heading?
Cation of the base and
What's the heading? What's the heading?
Salt.
Salt, right? Yes. We had discussed about salt. So what all things you know about salt, Gauri?
Salt is a combination of an anion of an acid and cation of a base.
Okay, anion of an acid and cation of a base. Gerlin, can you tell me one example for a salt?
Calcium,
Which one?
calcium hydroxide, calcium sulfate.
Okay, calcium hydroxide, calcium sulfate. These all are examples for the salt. All of you, please switch on your videos.
Sodium sulfate.
Yes, sodium sulfate. Lena, tell me one example for a salt.
Potassium sulfate.
Calcium sulfate. Then Eva, tell me one example. Eva, yes. One example for salt. Calcium.
Carbonate.
Calcium carbonate. Yes, it's also an example for salt. So these are the different types of salt we had discussed in the last class, right? What about the chemical formula of potassium sulfate? Yes?
K2SO4.
K2SO4. Yes. It is obtained from sulfuric acid and potassium hydroxide, right? Then,
Yes, ma'am.
Abin, what about sodium sulfate? Na2SO4. Yes. Then, Shweda, what about calcium sulfate? Yes. Chemical formula of calcium sulfate.
Ma'am, I know. CaSO4.
Question to Shweda. Okay. Minha, what about magnesium sulfate?
MgSO4.
Yes, MgSO4. Then, Karthik, what about copper sulfate?
Ma'am, it's CuSO4.
CuSO4. Srihari, sodium chloride?
NaCl.
Yes, NaCl. Then, Hadulya, sodium nitrate?
NaNO3.
NaNO3. Nabil, sodium carbonate?
Yes, ma'am.
Sodium carbonate?
SO.
Sodium, it is SO.
NO. Na.
Na?
Yes,
CO.
Na2CO3. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Then
Ma'am.
ammonium. Yes.
Ma'am, next on the last.
Hmm?
Next on the last equation. Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the equation of ma'am? The next that what is the equation of the copper sulfate? That next that.
Not clear, Visan. Tell me once again.
He said
Next.
that
Ah.
exam there will be questions asking the equation of the salts.
You can in not direct questions like that. Means what is the chemical formula of this one? But you have to learn this one. It is needed for every examples, chemical equations, reactions. etc. Okay. So it's needed. Last one, ammonium chloride.
NH4C1.
NH4, C,
C1.
C,
NH4Cl.
Cl. Okay, NH4, Cl. So these are different types of salt. Potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, ammonium chloride. Okay, then we are going to classifying this salt based on their cation or anion. Okay, we are going to classify this salt depending upon the anion or cation present in that salt. First, we can classify the sulfate salt. Sulfate salts. So, from the previous list, you can tell me which are the sulfate salts present.
Sulfate salt means that those
Its anion contains sulfate ion. Yeah, Minha, tell me.
Potassium sulfate.
Yes, potassium sulfate. Then
Sodium sulfate.
sodium sulfate. Then
Calcium sulfate.
Calcium sulfate.
calcium sulfate.
copper sulfate.
Okay, copper sulfate.
Magnesium sulfate.
Magnesium sulfate.
Okay.
And this we need to write.
Hmm?
And this we need to write.
Yes, you can write. Magnesium sulfate. So, all these belongs to the family of sulfate salt. Okay, because its anion is sulfate. Anion is sulfate. It belongs to sulfate family. Yes.
Somehow we recognize that it is anion or that it is ion or not.
Look at its names. It ends
Ah.
with sulfate, right? That's why it belongs to same family, sulfate, potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, copper sulfate, magnesium sulfate. In a chemical name, the first name denotes the cation and the second name denotes the anion. Okay, here the anion is sulfate. Clear? And when you look at the chemical formula, here it is K2SO4, Na2SO4. Fisan, you can write along with this.
Okay.
Calcium sulfate, CaSO4, then CuSO4, copper sulfate, then MgSO4, magnesium sulfate. So this is the first family, family of sulfate salt. Family of sulfate salt.
One minute, don't.
Hmm?
1 minute, don't.
Yes. Isha, can you please read the name of the sulfate salt?
Potassium sulfate.
Hmm.
Sodium sulfate. Calcium sulfate. Copper sulfate. Magnesium sulfate.
Okay. Noble, can you please read the chemical names of the sulfate salt? Chemical names. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the chemical names of the salt?
Chemical like K2NO4,
Starting from the first one.
potassium sulfate.
Its chemical formula.
K2N04.
S, it's S. Just wait.
Okay.
K2SO4. Yes. Continue. Noble.
Sodium sulfate,
Hmm.
Na2SO4.
Okay.
Calcium sulfate,
Hmm.
CaSO4. Copper
Okay.
sulfate, CuSO4.
Hmm.
Magnesium sulfate, MgSO4.
Thank you. Okay. Devasena, can you repeat it once again? Sulfate salt.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Potassium sulfate, K2SO4.
Yes.
Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4.
Hmm.
Calcium sulfate, CaSO4.
Yes.
Copper sulfate, CuSO4.
Hmm.
Magnesium sulfate, MgSO4.
Okay. Fizan completed? Yes. Okay. Then we are going to find out the next family. That is chloride salt. Okay. Chloride salt. Anion is chloride ion. Yes.
And sodium chloride.
Yes, it's sodium chloride. Very good. Then,
Ammonium chloride.
Ammonium chloride.
which one?
Ammonium chloride.
Ammonium chloride.
Yes, ammonium chloride. Anything else?
Potassium chloride.
Which one?
Potassium chloride.
It's in the list. No, right? You can also include this one, but it's not in the list. Potassium chloride. What about the chemical formula of potassium chloride?
NaCl.
Very good.
NaCl2.
Hmm. Potassium. Na. Yes, it's KCl. Sodium chloride it is?
NaCl.
Yes, NaCl. And what about ammonium chloride?
NH4.
NaCl. NH.
NH4Cl. Write down. So these are the chloride salts. Sodium chloride, ammonium chloride, potassium chloride. These two are from the above list. Okay. You can also include magnesium chloride, then copper chloride, calcium chloride, etc.
Calcium chloride
CaCl2.
we can include now.
Yes. Atulya, can you please read the name of chloride salts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sodium chloride, NaCl.
Yes.
Ammonium chloride, NH4Cl.
Hmm.
Potassium chloride, KCl.
Okay. All of you finished?
1 second.
Okay. Then the next category. Sodium salts. Here the cation is sodium. Okay. Cation is sodium. So you can tell me which are the sodium salts.
Sodium hydroxide.
Sodium sulfate.
Sodium
Sodium sulfate.
Sulfate.
sulfate. Fizan, sodium hydroxide belongs to base. Here we are discussing about salts. Okay. Next one, sodium.
Sodium chloride.
Yes, sodium chloride.
Sodium.
Anything else from the list?
Sodium nitrate.
Sodium?
Nitrate.
Nitrate.
Okay, sodium nitrate. So these three belongs to the category or family of sodium salts. Sodium salts. One more, sodium carbonate, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
I mean, the chemistry problems, this kind of problems, equations like that.
In this chapter, there is no problems, but will be there. Okay?
M9, we had no.
Yes.
M9, we
It's
had no.
depending upon the chapter.
Balancing that.
Yes, yes.
Cross,
But in the first chapter, there are certain problems, right? Balancing chemical equation. In this chapter, there are no such problems. Finished, Fizan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you? Yes. Sovel, can you please read the names of the sodium salt?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Sodium sulfate,
Yes,
sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate.
carbonate. Navaneet, tell me the chemical formula of sodium sulfate.
Ma'am, Na2SO4.
Yes. Then what about sodium chloride?
NaCl.
Hmm. Sodium nitrate?
NaNO3.
3. Sodium carbonate?
Na2CO3.
Okay. So in this way, we can categorize the salts into different family, depending upon the anion or cation present in common. Okay, in this case, we are just preferring for cation and it is sodium. So it belongs to the family sodium salts. In the previous case, we are just choosing anion and the anion is chloride salt. Then before that, one more. What is that? Chloride salts.
Yes, ma'am.
One more family.
Sulfate.
Sulfate, yes, it's sulfate salt. Yes. So have you completed this one? All of you. So I think this one is clear for you, right? Yes. Sania,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the names of certain sulfate salts?
Potassium sulfate,
Hmm.
sodium sulfate,
Hmm.
calcium sulfate,
Hmm.
magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate.
Okay. Emrine, can you tell me the examples of chloride salts? Chloride, Emrine.
Ma'am, sodium sulfate,
Chloride
sodium
salt,
chloride, chloride nitrate.
Chloride salt. So it ends with chloride. Yes. Wait. Emrine, can you tell me? It ends with chloride. Said, can you tell me? Said, names of chloride salts.
Sodium chloride,
Sodium chloride,
ammonium chloride,
ammonium chloride,
potassium chloride.
potassium chloride. Okay. Then what about sodium salts? Ashik Joshi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You can tell me the names of sodium salts. Yes, tell me names of sodium salts. Elsa, can you tell me?
And sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, sodium nitrate.
Sodium carbonate. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about the pH of the salt. We have learned that In this neutralization reaction, acid and base react together and the neutral products are obtained, salt and water, right? Then why we are learning for this pH of salts? pH of salts. Any idea?
I have to check that.
We have learned that salt and water is produced from the neutralization reaction between acid and base. Neutralization reaction means the neutral products are obtained. Then why we are learning for this pH of the salt? It will always be neutral. Okay, listen. All salts are not considered to be neutral. Okay, depending upon the salt, depending upon the acid and base from which the salt is formed, it will categorize as neutral salts, acidic salts, and basic salts. In order to check that one, there is one activity in your textbook, activity 2.14. Okay, activity 2.14. Collect the following salt samples: sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, aluminum chloride, zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium acetate, sodium carbonate, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. There are different types of salts here, and check their solubility in water. Okay, check their solubility in water. That we can only do at laboratory. These salts are only available at labs. Okay. So we just check their solubility in water. We can only use distilled water. Do you know what's the reason for using distilled water instead of water? Why? Why? Why we are preferring distilled water instead of water? What's the difference?
Distilled water doesn't have any minerals or any.
Yes, very good. Distilled water does not contain any types of ions. Okay, but in water there are certain minerals. It's in the form of Mg2+, Ca2+, like that. So in order to remove all these impurities, we are preferring for distilled water. So check their solubility in distilled water. Then check the action of the solutions on litmus and find the pH using a pH paper. Okay. By just simply dipping the litmus paper into the solution, we can find out it categorized to either neutral salt or acidic salt or basic salt. Which of the salts are acidic, basic, or neutral? Identify the acid or base used to form the salt. So we can able to classify this into neutral, acidic, and basic salt. Okay, by simply observing the color change occurs to the litmus paper. This activity.
That question is still
because in distilled water there are no such ions. In distilled water there are no other ions present. Okay. In normal water there are other minerals that's in the form of ions. Okay. If ions are present in this water, it will cause the formation of another product. In order to avoid that, we are removing all such ions from the water and it will become distilled water. So before learning this or doing this activity, we can just learn which are the different types of salts available.
That is 2.1.
We can discuss it after learning this.
Okay.
Yes, the first category, it is neutral salts. Neutral salts. Here, strong acid and strong base combines, neutral salts are formed. Okay, example, HCl, it's a strong acid. Yes?
And the sweet icon.
No.
Each level pH value 7. Okay.
Here the heading is neutral salt, right? Not only about the pH value. So this neutral salt, it is formed from strong acid and strong base. So we can write the strong acid example as HCl. And can you tell me one strong base? Strong base.
And sodium hydroxide.
Yes, it NaOH. It's a strong base. So the product formed is NaCl. So it belongs to this category of neutral salts. Okay, neutral salts. Here examples are there, NaCl, then CaSO4. Another example here, calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice plus H2SO4. Here the product is CaSO4. This one is another example for neutral salt. So when the strong acid and strong base reacts together, neutral salt and water is formed. And their pH value is always 7. Neutral, that is 7. And the examples are NaCl, then CaSO4. So from the strong acid HCl and the strong base NaOH, this neutral salt NaCl is formed. Along with that, water is also there. Okay, then the next example, calcium hydroxide, strong base, then H2SO4. It's a strong acid. Here, CaSO4 plus H2O. CaSO4 belongs to salt, neutral salt. This is clear?
Can you repeat neutral? In the strong acid.
And the strong acid and strong base combines together, neutral salt is formed. HCl, it's an example for strong acid. NaOH, it's an example for strong base. So here the salt formed as NaCl, it belongs to neutral salt. Another example, CaOH twice, it is a strong base. Then H2SO4, it is a strong acid. So it reacts together to form the neutral salt CaSO4. This is clear?
Yes.
Yes, right?
Yes.
Okay. Swati, can you please read the slide?
Neutral salts, strong acid plus strong base.
Okay.
pH value is 7.
Oh.
Example, NaCl, CaSO4.
Okay. You can also include these two reactions. Okay. It will explain the formation of these acids. Salts. Raya, can you please read these two reactions? HCl plus
HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O.
Okay. The next one.
Strong acid plus strong base.
Hmm.
pH value 7.
Okay.
Example, NaCl and CaSO.
You can also read this chemical reaction. Second one.
CaOH2 plus H2SO4 gives CaSO4 plus H2O.
Okay. So these belongs to the category of neutral salts. Shall I move to next one? Okay, then the second category, acidic salts. Acidic salts. Here, strong acid and weak base. Strong acid and weak base. Okay, strong acid and weak base reacts together to form acidic salt. We learned that the pH value of acids is always less than 7. Here also, in the case of acidic salts, the pH value is less than 7. These two are the examples, NH4Cl and CaSO4. Rohan, Elna Rose, Lena, Shweda, Rohan, Minha, Soval, Ashna, Ashik, Melita, Emrin, Justin, Aaron. All of you please switch on your videos. Nasil, Delvin, Shania, Jaslyn, Vishnu, Dominic, Bastin, Sean, Dominic, Vishnu, Elena, Anthony, Maxi, Roshan, Jane. All of you please switch on your videos. Yes, Rohan, can you please read the slide?
Yes.
Okay.
Acid salt.
Acidic salts.
Acidic salt.
Hmm.
Strong acid plus weak base.
Hmm.
Acid salt.
Okay. pH value.
pH value is less than 7.
Hmm.
Example NH4
Hmm.
Cl
Hmm.
CaSO4.
Okay. Karthik, can you tell me from which acid and which base this NH4Cl is formed?
Ma'am, it's
Hmm.
like ammonium hydroxide and
Which one? Ammonium?
hydroxide.
Yes, ammonium hydroxide. It is NH4OH. And what about the acid?
Hydrochloric.
Yes, HCl. So this one is the strong acid and this one is a weak base. It reacts together to form NH4Cl. We learned that in the case of salts, the cationic part it from the base and the anionic part it from the acid. So here it is strong acid. Okay. The next one is CaSO4. CaSO4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I learned how CS of be neutral and acidic.
In the previous example, it's there. Okay. I will check it and tell you in the next class, okay? Some mistakes there. So no need to write this one now, CSO4, okay?
I wrote.
Yes? You can kept it there. I will
I wrote
clarify
that.
it in, yes, I will clarify it in the next class. Now only need to write this NH4Cl. Okay? NH4Cl. Finished.
Ma'am, it is correct my question.
Yes?
Ma'am, what ma'am should clarify that. Ma'am, what happened?
No need to write CSO4 now. I will tell you in the next class. We already written this CSO4 as an example for neutral salt. That's why. Okay, it's some mistake there. I didn't notice that. Sorry. Have you completed this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the next one, basic salts. Okay, basic salts. So here, strong base plus weak acid. Strong base plus weak acid. Strong base plus weak acid. And the pH value, it is more than 7. pH value, it is more than 7. Here CaCO3 and CH3ZOONA, these two are the examples for this basic salts. Eva, can you tell me from which acid and which base this CaCO3 is formed?
Strong base.
Yes?
Strong base.
Which one? Which strong base?
Calcium.
Calcium?
Carbon.
It's a salt, right? It's from calcium hydroxide plus carbonic acid, H2CO3. It gives CaCO3 plus H2O. Yes. So this one is a strong base. And this one is weak acid. What about the next one? CH3COONA. Anyone?
Chlorine hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide. Then which acid?
Ma'am, that is strong. That NOH is strong and
This one is a
weak
strong
is that
base.
weak that.
What's the name of the weak acid?
Yes, ma'am. Make
Is CH3 COOH. Acetic acid.
what is a CO?
Hmm?
Carbonic acid.
Yes. Which one?
CONA. CONA. That COONA.
Yes, it's split into NaOH and CH3COH. Yes, Srihari, what's your doubt? Okay. So here it is NaOH and CH3COH. From this portion, this CH3COO and this Na, it joins together to form CH3COONA, and along with this, water is produced. Here H, then OH, that is H2O. Hmm? Write it fast. So these are the three different types of salts: neutral salts, acidic salts, basic salts.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ask the one more question they would ask me. Base or is it ma'am, ask the one more question they would ask me. Base or is it acid?
Not clear. Once again, in question paper there will be questions, right?
No. They will ask us one more question that is acidic or that no. Acidic or basic.
Yes, yes,
No.
yes. You have to learn that. All of you do more examples to find out from which acid and which base each salt is formed, okay? And just try to identify either it belongs to neutral, then strong or weak. Basically, the strong acids, it is HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, etc. And weak acids, this carbonic acid, H2CO3, then acetic acid, etc. Okay. Then in the case of strong base, it is NaOH, COH twice, etc. And weak base, NH4OH. When you look at each salts, you will get which one is the strong base, which one is the weak base, strong acid, weak acid, etc. So in the previous one, this one is the wrong, because here the base should be weak, right? The CaOH twice, it belongs to strong base. So the CaSO4 will not be an acidic salt. No need to write that. Okay. Finished, all of you? Okay. Then we can discuss this activity after studying this. So all of you please study this portion very well for the next class. Okay. After that we can discuss this activity 2.14. Okay. So which are the three different types of salts? Yes, Hasan. Tell me.
And the activity which is 2.14. I want to look that.
Okay. Tell me which are the three different types of salts. Meghna, can you tell me the name of three different types of salts? Yes. Unmute. Tell me. Yes. Depending upon acidic, basic, pH value, you can tell me three different types of salts. Which are they?
Ma'am,
Wait. Raya, can you tell me?
What, ma'am?
Yes. Which are the 3 different types of salts?
Neutral salt, basic salt,
And acidic salts, right?
acidic salt.
Yes. Neutral salt is obtained from which type of acid and base? Sriram, tell me, neutral salt is from? Which type of acid and which type of base?
Acid plus base.
Which acid, strong or weak?
Weak acid plus weak.
Strong acid plus strong base. Okay? Shania, what about acidic salts?
Strong acid and weak base.
Strong acid and weak base. What about basic salts, Elsa?
Strong base and weak acid.
Weak acid. Also try to learn certain examples, okay? Then let me take your attendance. Okay, children?
thank you,
So
ma'am.
thank you all. See you in the next class. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.